Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got 3 unboxings in one and they're all by Latest in Beauty and they're all limited edition collection boxes. So a little bit different to the subscription. So I'll just show you the boxes that I'm going to unbox. This is the first one. This is the Sainsburys and Argos. It's a Beauty Awards 2019. Then we got an Autumn 2019 beauty box. Then we got a Balance, the Nighttime Edit beauty box. So I'm aware that my unboxes do go on a little bit, so I am going to be zooming through these boxes, telling you what is full size, and I'll be showing you the items as we go through the boxes. I won't be going into detail about the products, but everything related to these boxes I will link down below in the description, and any codes that are flying around at the moment to see if you can get any discounts off these boxes I will pop down below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description, and all details and links and codes and everything will be listed down below. So the first box I'm going to unbox is the Autumn box. Inside this box contains 12 new season autumn essentials. It costs £26 and it has a value of £135. So let's open it up and show you what you get inside. That's what the box looks like. Got a little leaflet here and it tells you everything about the products. And this is what it looks like in here. Oh, hold on. Just take a few of the top items off so you can see. There, jam packed. So I'll put this down the side of me, pick an item up and show you. So I have to say before I begin that all these boxes were sent to me as PR. I'm on Latest in Beauty's PR list. Does not affect my thoughts, my opinions, nothing like that. It's not sponsored, I'm not paid to do these videos. They just send me these boxes in exchange of me telling you all about it on my channel. So yeah, so I'm really grateful to Latest in Beauty for sending them to me. They all seem to come out within the last couple of weeks and they do bring the collection boxes out regularly, but I think this is the fastest they've brought them out. There seems to be a few going on here, but they're different. So it could be a gift for yourself, it could be a gift for a family member or a friend, or you might look at these boxes and think, nah, not for me, don't need it, got too many beauty products, or the price is too expensive or whatever. So yeah, so back to the box, and it says a new season presents the perfect time to reset and refresh our beauty rituals, saving our skin from the elements. Sit back and relax with this curated edit of 12 beauty heroes worth over £135, which puts a focus on the skin, hair and body saviours you need for autumn. Featuring products from Time Bomb, Image Skincare and Tangle Teaser, we've got your post-summer routine covered. So the first item is a mask. This is by OK. It's a Korean sheet mask. It's a 3-step mask, and what does it say here? You've got a cleansing wash, a moisturising serum, and then you've got a sheet mask. So there you go. It's bamboo and charcoal sheet mask, and it's got the English instructions on the back. So there's that. Next we've got another mask, and this is by Patchology, and this is Mood Patch Downtime, and this is a calming tea infused aromatherapy eye gels, and it contains calendula, lavender, evening primrose, and it's 1 pair in there. Now I've tried some patches from Patchology before and they're really lovely, but I haven't tried these ones. Then we've got another mask. I'm getting through the masks first. This is by Image Skincare. This is a biomolecular hydrating recovery mask. Embark upon a journey of total rejuvenation as you experience the ultimate skin transformation ritual. So there's that. Next we've got something quite exciting. I love these. Tangle Teasers. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. Pineapple and palm trees. Really pretty. Now I haven't seen one like this before. Is it like a stand or something? It must be. So that's the Tangle Teaser there. And you just put that in there. Yeah. So there's that. Then we've got a bath bomb, and this is so, so pretty. I've had one of these before and they are gorgeous. They're almost too pretty to use. They look like cupcakes, but it's a lavender bath melt by Miss Patisserie. This is the box. The actual packaging is stunning as on its own, isn't it? It's really, really pretty, but look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so, so lovely. What's it smell like? I'm assuming it's lavender. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. It's got like little petals, or it looks like petals. Oh, yeah, I love these. Absolutely love them. So there's that. Next, you've got something by a Beauty Kitchen, and this is Abyssinian Oil Handbag Beauty Balm Hydrate and Nourish, and this is 30 ml, and this is an omega rich 1-pot instant moisture wonder, the ultimate multi-purpose fixer on the go. So there's that. Smells quite nice, quite aromatherapy sort of smells. So there's that. Then we got a Sanctuary Spa Ultra Rich Wet Skin Moisture Miracle, and this is 50 ml. It says long lasting fragrance, and it says intensive luxurious lotion for dry skin that locks in 5 times more moisture for up to 72 hours. The quickest, easiest and most effective way to replenish and relieve dry, thirsty skin. See that? Next we've got something for your hands, and this is by Organi, and this is Gentle Care Hand Cream for sensitive skin, and what's it say? It says vegan on the side, and it's 75 ml. So there's that. Next we got a Naked Self Tan, or I think it's Naked, NKD, Self Tan Skin Odor Remove Technology Gradual Glow Daily Tan Moisturiser. Suits all skin tones, face and body. Never tried this before. I love gradual tanning lotions, especially if they're ultra moisturising as well. So yeah, it does the body good, plus makes me look nice in the morning, or evens out my skin tone in the morning. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. We got something by Seasons, and this is Almost Everything Cream. It's a primer, shine booster, frizz fighter, texturizer, tamer, curl definer, conditioner and a mask. Oh my gosh, it's 5 ml, so it's like a little sample size. It's for your hair. So it's like there, like a tube, so you just squeeze it down like that. So we've got a multi-purpose balm for your body, and we've got a multi-purpose cream for your hair as well. Next we've got a Nux, and this is a multi-purpose dry oil face, body and hair. And how much is this? We've got 10 ml here. So there's a little bottle there. I've tried this numerous times, and I like the one that's got like sparkles in it, like glitter flecks in it. It's really nice when I go on holiday, just putting it on my tops of my shoulders or on my shins. Just gives a really nice shimmer to my body. But yeah, it's a really nice oil as well because it blends in beautifully, and yeah, it's non-greasy and oily. It is really nice. So, but I don't use that much of it. I tend to only use it when I'm on holiday. So there's that. And lastly, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this. It's by Time Bomb, and it's upside down. And this is Overexposed Sun Damage Rescue. Dramatically improves the appearance of photo damaged skin. And this is 70 ml. That's the outer packaging. Time Bomb is a brand I really, really want to get to know a little bit more. I use their Divine Intervention face oil daily. Absolutely love it. I mix it in with my moisturiser, and oh, I love it, love it, love it. So when I found out that they were having this in this box, I was really excited. So yeah, it just says dramatically improves the appearance of photo damaged skin. So I'll give that a go. So there's that. Now on to Balance the Nighttime Edit. Really excited about this, really excited. Now when it arrived, this came with it separately because obviously it can't fit in the box. But the first item is Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution, Soothe and Sleep with Lavender. And it says here, made in the USA. So that will come with it, but not actually in the box, because as you can see, it's a really large bag. So that's the first item in the box. So we got a leaflet, as in the other box, tells you everything about the product. And what's it say about this box then? Sleep is an essential piece of housekeeping for the mind, body and soul. Central to well-being, a good night's rest provides the opportunity to process information, consolidate your memories and clear toxins from the brain. That's why Balance is delighted to partner with Latest Beauty to launch the Nighttime Edit, offering wellness and beauty enthusiasts the ultimate gift in self-care. We have worked tirelessly, no pun intended, to select the most effective and calming products for your ultimate pre-bed ritual, because let's face it, waking with a spring in his step starts the night before. Take a few things off the top. Right there, there's loads of stuff in here. There, I'll just put it down to the side of me. So this box costs £38. It contains 6 full-size products, and it has a value of £145. So the first item is a space mask. I've tried these lots of times. They're really cool. My daughter really likes them. They're okay. They don't really send me off to sleep, but they are relaxing. But my daughter absolutely loves them. So basically, you pull it out the pouch. There's something in it, I don't know what, some technology going on that makes it warm up, and it feels quite warm when you apply it onto your face. It's just a little mask, you tie it behind your ears and you just relax and chill, and it does warm up. But yeah, so we got one in there. Next we got a Glow makeup remover for all skin types. I've got one of these as well, so I'm going to be giving that to my daughter as well. The makeup removal your skin deserves. It's innovative fibre technology, reusable from 1 to 3 months, complex skincare tool 5-in-1. It is lovely. It is really, really nice. I've had a few of these, well, these types of makeup removers in subscription boxes over the last year, and I do think this is my favourite. It just feels so lovely. I'll just open it up and show you. It's so nice. It is so, so nice. It is so soft. But yeah, so you just wet it and remove your makeup. It's lovely. So there's that. Then we got a Arnica Repairing Mask by Botanicals, and this is for damaged hair, and it's vegan formula. It's by L'Oreal Paris, and it's 40 mils. So there's that hair mask. And we got another downtime patch, and this is by Patchology, and this is a mood patch, a calming tea infused aromatherapy eye gels, exactly the same as what we had in the other box. So we got one of these in this one. Then we got Pure Essentials Rest and Relax Spray, and this is an ear spray. There's 12 essential oils, 100% pure and natural, 20 mils there. We've got a spray. Next we've got a Weleda Lavender Relaxing Body Oil, and this is 10 mils. This is what the outer packaging looks like. So there. This is that. Then we got Dr. Botanicals, and this is a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask, and this is from their Apothecary Natural Collection range. And how much is here? We've got 30 mils, so this is a full size item. So we've got a sleeping mask. Here you go. So there's that. Then we got some Pucca tea bags, and these are Pucca Nighttime Organic, a dreamy blend of oat flower, lavender and lime flower. Oh wow, I've never tried this before. Naturally caffeine free, and 20 herbal tea sachets in there. So you've got a whole box of tea bags there. Then we've got some Link Nutrition Magnesium, and it's 30 capsule food supplements, and they're 100 milligrams of food-based magnesium. So that's what it looks like there. Then we got a Tisserand Sleep Better Pulse Point Rollerball, and this is with jasmine, sandalwood and lavender. And it's a pure essential blend, and this is 10 mils, and this is a full size as well. And there's that. Then we got a Guino, I think that's how you say it, I'm not too sure, biological peeling gel for face, neck and all skin types. And it says AHA and green tea, and this is 15 mils. And it, yeah, I'm not quite sure how that is related to sleep and relaxation, but maybe just like pampering, isn't it? Pampering, giving yourself a peeling mask. So there's that. Then we got a little pot of Wild Rose Beauty Balm, enhances radiance and nurtures, by Neil's Yard, and we got 15 gram there. So that's what that looks like there. Let's see inside. It's a nice balm. Then we've got a Sleep Plus pillow spray by This Works Plus, and this is 5 mils, and got a little spray there. And then lastly we've got a product by Jolique, and it's a fragrance rose hand cream with Rosa Gallica flower extract, limited edition. It's from South Australia, and it's 100 mils. That's the outer packaging. There you go. So those are all the 16 products for this Sleep and Calm Beauty Edition box. Now on to the Sainsbury's and Argos Beauty Awards box. Inside contains 14 award nominated beauty products, 9 full sizes and worth £90, and it'll cost you £25. So that's what the box looks like, same as all the others. For the first time ever, we've partnered with Sainsbury's for their 2019 Beauty Awards. It's time to access our selection from the award nominated lineup, including everyday essentials you can't live without. It's now over to you. Put these beauty heroes to the test and vote for your favourites. Voting opens on 18th of September. Just take off the first few things again. There, just give you a sneak peek. A few little masks there. Woo! And they're gone on the floor. So the first item is by Beauty Pro. It's a foot and callus peel. Removes dead skin after 7 days. Over 16 botanical fruit extracts. It's a antibacterial formula against animal testing. So that's what it looks like. I recently tried something similar to this. My skin starts coming off about 4 or 5 days afterwards, but I think my skin is so bad that it didn't do it all. I'm still left with not very nice skin. So yeah, I really need to look after my skin, so I'm really excited to give this a go. Then we got a Husk Argan Oil from Morocco. It says it strengthens, restores and soothes dry damaged hair, and it's a repairing deep conditioner. We got a 50 gram pouch there. We got a award-winning British brand. This is Barber Pro Face Putty Black Peel Off Mask with activated charcoal. So there's that, it's a little sachet. Then we got a face mask by Natura, and this is an avocado infused sheet mask, deeply nourishing and anti-aging. So there's that. Then we got a Super Facialist Vitamin C and Brighten Skin Renewal Cleansing Oil. It reveals radiantly clear, thoroughly cleansed skin, and this is 200 ml. And then we got a Happy Naturals 97% natural hair care, and this is a 2-in-1 heat protection spray, and this is vegan, sustainably sourced plant keratin and plum, and yeah, it says condition and protect hair against heat induced damage, and we've got 150 ml there. So it smells like there. What's it smell like? I know it's a heat protection spray, but I use them all the time, but does it smell like plum? Oh, it does! And lavender, it smells a bit like as well. Oh, that is lovely. That is really, really nice. I know, really happy to have that. Next we got a product by Garnier, Organic, and this is a Soothing Lavandin. It's new, it's a vegan formula, it's grown in France, and it's a Soothe and Glow facial oil, and it's for all skin types and even sensitive. And we've got 30 grams here, so that's what it looks like there. I'll just pop it out the box to show you. I like the packaging, it's really nice. Is that. Next we got a L'Oreal Paris, and this is a new Age Perfect Golden Age Rosy Radiant Cream for the eyes, anti-sagging, corrects stubborn dark circles, calcium, B5 and peony extract, and it says very mature and dull skin, and we got 15 ml here. So that's the little pot inside. Next we got a pillow spray by Feather and Down, and this is Sweet Dreams with calming lavender and chamomile essential oils. We got 50 ml spray here. Then we got a teeny tiny Urban Veda Turmeric and Botanics Radiance Day Cream, and it's naturally brightens, replenishing, soothes dry skin, and we've got 10 ml there, so it's a little sample there. And then lastly in the box we've got a Boutique Illuminating Drops. Yeah, Boutique, I've never heard of them. Never heard of them. Learning brands and products all the time. So let's try a bit on my hand. Not for me, but I think that would be quite nice, like maybe mixed in with a moisturiser or like a foundation and put on like with a beauty blending sponge in certain areas of your face. But you might not be able to see there. There's a really, really pretty colour shift going on, like a pearly sort of silvery pink. It is lovely, it is nice, but yeah, it's not, I don't like wearing like highlighters like this full on my cheeks. I just like a subtle look. So those are all the products. If you want to learn a little bit more about them individually, I will pop links down to the boxes from the website down in the description, so you're welcome to take a look there. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.